Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule, stop in and see what it is I'm up to. It is Saturday, the 15th of October, 2022. It is 81 degrees Fahrenheit here in Jacksonville, Florida, 27 degrees Celsius. So, I thought I'd do a quick EDC, what I carry on my person. We'll start out with my phone, which doubles as my wallet. It's got my credit cards and my license in there. There's also a flashlight. And this whole thing hangs from my neck. And at night, the flashlight actually lights the ground up as I'm walking. It comes in handy numerous times. For the most part, I don't carry anything. I put everything in my carry bags. However, I do carry this. And if you'll give me a minute or so to get things changed around and reorganized. Okay, I got this little tin when I ordered a flashlight, small flashlight. And at that point in time, I thought, that will come in handy for my drink mix. Yeah, I go through a lot of these True Lemons. There's usually not this many in here, but I'm at my daughter's house, and I needed enough for a couple of days. There are a couple of hair ties, hair bands, the small flashlight that came in the box, a tube of aspirin, and this small Swiss Army knife. Nail file and blade and little scissors with a toothpick. It all fits in there nicely. It doesn't have a whole lot of weight. And that is my normal everyday carry on me. Alrighty then, there you go, folks. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around your social media, that'd be fandoculous. You want to check me out on Facebook or Instagram, I'll get links in the description box, wherever that is on your device of choice. You'll also find links to similar videos. You'll find my email, my snail mail, and all that good stuff. So, if your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. We ain't promised tomorrow, people. We ain't promised our next breath. So see y'all again. I hope you have a fandoculous day. Sláinte, y'all.